everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your remote if it's not working on your TCL TV. So the first thing we want to do is just turn off the TV and unplug it from the wallet, and then do the same thing with your remote. Remove the batteries. And once you remove the batteries, we want to just simply plug everything back in and then reconnect it and repair it. So hold down the home button and the OK button now, and this should reconnect it and repair it back to your TV if it wasn't working. So it'll sync it up. Otherwise, so what we could do is just go to settings, go to all settings, and then go on down to where it says remote and accessories and go to the right. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then go to remote control pairing. Pairing your remote will bring us back to this screen where we can go ahead and just connect it. So make sure you're within 3 feet, and you should be able to connect it back up to your TV. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.